only pray to God, fuck the devil. Go grab the dirt, go hoe, ain't grab the shovel. You know I'm finna go slide up for my perros. I wanna throw some trash to the cuarto. How many times I spent for my vatos? Throwing shots and they bring and he cut him. I cut him slipping up and he hit him up in the torso. Loading up the cannon, I'm finna go let it off. I fully send me out of the matic, let him at it. I ain't afraid to squeeze and I'm letting them niggas have it. Damn, he done died on the scene, like it was tragic. They come slipping and I ain't say no words. I hopped up in that cage, I was never scared. I go squabble out and go and shoot it out and fire it out. Niggas talking this and they just talking out of their mouth. So shut the fuck up, nigga, go say it up with your chest. I went it hot and went it sprayed and got hit in his head. I go load those cannon, let's go slide about it. Yeah, you know I'm really gon' die about it. Yeah, you know I'm really slide about it. You know I'm really I'm open fire about it. Them niggas nodding and they up on my level. Yeah, I pray to God, fuck the devil. You know, grab the devil, grab the shovel. I'm sliding up for my perros. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. How many times did I spend for my vatos? Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Like how many times did I spend for my vatos? We got him tossed, got him flamed up. He turned to ashes, then he ain't say a word. All these asking questions, instigated.